Okay, so my guess is that if you own a BMW E91, E90 or E92 or even E93, you are familiar with that sound, or you will become familiar with that sound in the future. And I thought I should show you a quick fix that might last 5 minutes, it might last 3 years, but it's quick and cheap. The first step in this process is to identify the sound, and to do that you need to raise the car and remove the wheel. And it's fitted with a 17mm socket. When the wheel is removed, locate the place where you can place your jack stand. Here is perfect place. This is an unnecessary step if you have two hydraulic jacks, but I need mine for this. Yes, like this. Now we have freed the jack. Now when your car sits securely on jack stands, you can simulate the sound with your hydraulic jack. And to identify the noise, you can put something against every bush one at a time and put the other end of the screwdriver to your ear. My suspicion is that it's the lower control arm bush. This one, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll show you later. This bushing between the spindle and the lower control arm makes that horrible noise. Okay, so the quick fix here is to locate the bushing. It's right down there. See this one. And you see those rubber things on each side. You can use a needle or something to make a small hole, one on each side, and spray some WD-40 inside. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so now we're under the car, and this is the bushing itself, and this is the spindle, and this is the lower control arm. So we just poke a small hole. I use the tip for my multimeter. Just like that. And make another one on the other side. Like that. And then take your WD-40 bottle and push the straw inside the hole. Just like that. And now for the result. You might have to simulate the noise maybe a few times for the lubricant to enter the whole bushing. So it's already nice and quiet. Yep. The noise is definitely gone. Perfect. Now you do the same on the other side. And since I know the right side also made this horrible noise, I will do the same procedure on that side. Okay, so let's see if it's fixed. Nice and quiet. So, perhaps not the most legitimate way to fix this problem. A better way would have been to replace the bushings itself, but perhaps you're gonna sell the car or something, because this solution might last for years. I don't know, but it was free and almost anyone can do it. So let's see how long this fix lasts. See you in the next video.